Vegetables. Look at mommy. Cabbage. Pea. Coriander. Onion. Mushroom. Morning glory. Cauliflower. Chinese kale. Holy basil. Ginger. Garlic. Galangal. Eggplant. Cucumber. Pumpkin. Corn. Chinese cabbage. Chili. Broccoli. Bitter cucumber. Asparagus. Tomato. Sweet pepper. Potato. Carrots. Cabbage. One more time. Cabbage. Pea. Coriander. Onion. Mushroom. Morning glory. Cauliflower. Chinese kale. Holy basil. Ginger. Garlic. Galangal. Eggplant. Cucumber. Pumpkin. Corn. Chinese cabbage. Chili. Broccoli. Bitter cucumber. Asparagus. Tomato. Sweet pepper. Potato. Carrot. And cabbage. Let's try if you still remember. Adam, where is the cabbage? Cabbage. This one is the cabbage. Very good. Adam, where is the carrot? Oh, this is a carrot. See? He chose the right one. Okay. Adam, can you tell me where's the potato? Potato. You don't know? This one is the potato. This one. That is potato. Very good. Adam, where is the mushroom? Mushroom. Where's the mushroom? Alright. Good boy. That is mushroom. Don't bite it. Where is tomato? This one. He smile. He smile. This one? Yes, tomato. Very good. Where is the corn? This one. Good boy. This is the corn. And where's the eggplant? This one. This one is the eggplant. Okay, again. Where's the eggplant? This one. Okay. Otro ni mami. Same naman di ay ito mami. Alright, one more. Where is the pumpkin? Oh, this one. That is pumpkin. Show them. Oh, pumpkin. Good boy. Okay. Finished. Oh, where is the Chinese kale? Kale. Yay! Thank you, Adam. Good job. High five. Oh, you want more? You want more? What's this? Asparagus. Yes, asparagus. This one. Bitter cucumber. Yes. And this one? Garlic. Yes. And this one? Ginger. Yes. And galangal. Yes. And Chinese cabbage. And broccoli. High five. High five. Yeah. Oh, kuyawan na high five. Oy. Yay! Very good! Good job, Ang Balong. Jadi tadi, no? Easy man yan.